Have you ever had someone pretend to be your friend, just to stab you in the back? That's exactly what happened to me. One day, my so-called best friend tried to ruin my entire reputation at school. She thought she was smart, but what she didn't know was, I had proof. And when I exposed her in front of everyone, let's just say, she wished she'd never messed with me. My name is Sarah, and for years, I thought Emily was my closest friend. We did everything together: homework, parties, even family trips. Everyone at school knew us as inseparable. But lately, I started noticing little things: whispers behind my back, sudden excuses for not hanging out, and the way she'd glance at me with this smug look when people laughed. I brushed it off. I didn't want to believe my best friend would ever betray me. But I was wrong. One Monday morning, the entire school was buzzing. People were staring at me, whispering, even laughing. I felt my stomach drop. That's when my other friend, Mia, showed me what was going on. Emily had created a fake account and posted embarrassing, photoshopped pictures of me online. She captioned them with nasty things like, "attention seeker," and "try hard queen." And everyone thought it was real. I was humiliated. My teachers even pulled me aside, asking if something was wrong. Emily, of course, pretended to comfort me in front of everyone, acting like she had no idea what was going on. That's when I knew I had to do something. Instead of crying in my room, I decided to fight back. I remembered Emily once bragged about how clever she was at making fake accounts. So, I asked Mia to help me investigate. We dug into the fake profile. And guess what? Emily wasn't as smart as she thought. She used her personal email to sign up, the same one she used for our Netflix account. It was all there, plain as day. I screenshot everything: the account, the email connection, even her IP address that matched her house Wi-Fi. Now, I had evidence. The school had a student assembly that Friday. Perfect timing. I asked Mia to help me set the stage. When Emily was laughing with her friends in the crowd, I walked right up on stage with the microphone. "Hey, everyone. I just want to clear something up." The room went silent. You've all seen those fake pictures of me going around. But what you don't know is, I found out exactly who made them. Gasps filled the room. Emily looked nervous. I clicked the projector, and up popped the screenshots: her email, her IP address, her fake account. The crowd erupted. Everyone turned to Emily, whose face went pale. She tried to deny it, but it was useless. The principal took her aside, and she ended up suspended for cyberbullying. All her friends abandoned her, and the girl who thought she could ruin me ended up ruining herself. And me. I finally realized the truth: not everyone who smiles at you is your friend. So, if you've ever been betrayed by someone close, remember, revenge doesn't always mean fighting back with anger. Sometimes, the sweetest revenge is exposing the truth.